What's good, y'all? It's your boy Dre. You see Totoro in the background? He just laying there. Sorry, we're in the middle of a move. I literally just moved recently, and it's a bit of a mess. I think once we organize and clean everything, I will take down my green screen. So because we've been working hard on the background. I mean, I got my setup, got some stuff here and there. You know what I'm saying? But it's just the background that's a little bit, you know. But successful move, doing great. We're back on the grind. We got aespa and G-Dragon. What the hell? GD, G to the D, golden diamonds, boy. Wada?
Cut the cameras.
Oh, whole different animal, aespa. My God, what kind of animal are we talking about? What kind of animal would you like to be if you were to like live another life as like reborn or something like that? Come back as I would hope to come back as a dog. But yeah, you already won.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
But a dog to a very caring, rich family. They don't have to be rich, but at least very caring. Like they're very emotionally intelligent to the dog. You know what I'm talking about? Anyways, enough talking. Be sure to check out the Patreon. Trying to post there more. Also, if you have any ideas, what do you want to see me create on Patreon? All right, aespa, what WDA, whole different animal featuring G-Dragon. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. 15 is right.
Huh?
Bruh, if that ever happened, I would have shit my pants.
Okay.
I gotta deal with me now.
You gotta deal with you now. Oh, serve.
Don't worry about what else is going on.
Why? Oh!
Daddy, chill.
Bitch, I envisioned my face into this. Cause, ooh, incoming? Them joints?
Don't worry about what else is going on.
Girl, this is my biggest fear.
It is what it is, they be like, who she's a whole different animal.
Whole different
Got the
animal.
beast unleashed to the net and tease, she's a whole different animal.
Whole different, ooh.
Body on the head,
Hey.
took it jumping on, but
Hey.
why you trying to glitch? Whole different animal.
Okay, eye choreography. Oh, they got a green screen too.
All different animals.
Oh, G-Dragon.
I stuck, but furious. My scars, so glorious.
Damn, I haven't seen this type of like mirror, like window mirror action since like I think it was a GOT7 song. I can't, or just y'all know what I'm talking about. I hope.
Embrace the danger.
Oh, that's smile. Look up.
The pressure. Shit a tip, cushy. Back it up, proofread.
Back it up, proofread. Ooh, the eye makeup.
Why they don't be talking about this? I wanna.
Bro, people are gonna green screen this. I should green screen this. I can't really green screen. Could I green screen the green screen? I don't know.
Talk about say why they don't be talking about
Damn.
this. I wanna talk about
Ooh.
how this little guns get harder. Give me all smoke, gunpowder. Woo. It is what it is.
The green theme.
She's a whole different animal.
Whole different. Ooh, the screaming.
Downtown, get breathe. She's a whole different animal.
Oh, the little.
Body on hit. Tattoo기 점을 넘어도 완벽해진 glitch. Ain't nobody that can hold different animal.
All different animal. Different animal. All different animal.
Is that supposed to be G-Dragon? A whole horse? A whole ass horse as a G-Dragon?
Hold different animal.
Oh, isn't this like a? What? This reminds me of a. Isn't it Death Row Records that they did it like this? Like the whole blackout in the back.
She all different animal. Different animal.
The horse
all
got
different
me.
Animal. Different animal.
Oh, now you wanna hear me, huh? Oh, now you wanna hear me, huh?
Oh, these. Oh, okay, cute. Always serving, but I like that. The little glitch pop-ups.
Oh, now you wanna hear me, huh? Oh, now you wanna hear me, huh? Oh,
Wait, I kind of want to see that. I'm sorry. I might. Nah, you know what? I'm not sorry. This is my reaction. If you want to watch the music video by yourself without the commentary, go check it out. Link in the description down below. The horse with the tongue out. So cute.
Now back to our regularly scheduled programming.
Thank you, Hedgen. Thank you, Hedgen.
oh, now you wanna hear me go crazy. 답은 내 안에 있어. Come test me. Do some. Talk loud. Do some.
Do something.
feet처럼 달아. I'm some.
Oh, that was a crate. What the fuck? If I was in this situation, I was like, oh.
Do some. Talk loud.
Oh, they're all. Oh my god, I didn't even look at the background. That's kind of creepy, no? That's kind of creepy.
I need to come test me. Do something. Do something. Talk loud. Do something. Cause
I just want to see that transition where she was like turning around.
don't feature.
Like this? That's... I mean, I know how they did it. But at the same time, crazy.
It's a new era. Feel something. Why they don't be talking about this? I wanna talk about it. Why they don't be talking about this? I wanna talk about 신누를수록 I just get harder. Give me all smoke, gunpowder. It is what it is. They be like, who she's a whole different animal.
Wait, they had a Dotson in the beginning. I love Dotson. I mean, my whole life has been surrounded by Dotsons.
It is what it is. They be like, who she's a whole different animal.
So cute.
My heart, my Shayla.
So cute.
Oh my god.
모든 게 바뀐 down get breathe.
Oh.
She's a whole different animal. Body on heat. 저 특이점을 넘어도 완벽해진 glitch. Ain't nobody that can. Whole different animal.
They always use... Is that Missy Elliott's voice? G-Dragon, baby. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Nila Ria? I think that's what it is.
They can. Whole different animal.
Five in the hole, what the whiplash.
Ooh.
Living on a whole nother level,
Yeah,
just.
yeah.
Why don't you girls different anymore? I'ma get it done. More different vision, more.
Oh,
I'ma get it done. Action, reaction.
Ooh.
Anyone getcha. Drag on.
Talk about
Hashtag
P.A. Oh, S.P.A.
Drag on. With my ceremony. Hashtag S.P.A. One chicken animal. Pay one shake it, whole different animal.
Ooh, the breakdown. This is a well-balanced collaboration. Damn, these collabs recently have been S tier, bro. My God.
Give me all smoke, gunpowder. Give me all smoke, gunpowder.
That highlight green is crazy. Whole different animal. aespa. S.P.A. Start saying aespa like that. Okay. Thoughts. Initial thoughts. Again, I like I said earlier, just recently, these collaborations as of recently, like pretty recent, have been like S tier to me. The Dean, Anderson .Paak, Jihyo and Genevieve, aespa, G-Dragon. At least at the moment right now, I'm been like bang, bang, bang. Now, don't come for me. Is this my favorite aespa song ever? Nah. Is it gonna be on my playlist on repeat? Yeah. I thought G-Dragon's rap part was dope. I love his voice used in the chorus itself. Whole different animal. Like, very well balanced collaboration, man. aespa did their thing. I love the concept. It was freaky. It was dope. It was entertaining. The editing was like, you know, glitchy as well. The implementation with the animals is so cute. The use of G-Dragon with the horse is so dope. Like, I really got no complaints. I think the only complaint is that there are other aespa songs that I would always put on repeat, that are like top tier for me. I mean, if you know, you know. But this one right here, definitely gonna be on repeat as well. It definitely might be part of my faves. We'll see how the end of 2026 treats me, like, you know, like music wise, how much I've been repeating this song. But I'm definitely gonna be adding this to the playlist. All right, y'all, put a comments down below what you guys think of aespa, Whole Different Animal, WDA featuring G-Dragon, baby. And like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. Be sure to follow there. I'll be posting there too. I'll be Twitch live streaming, mostly video games, but we do K-pop over there as well. I also do song competitions, like we done like the best of 2nd gen, and I don't choose, the chat chooses, or best of 3rd gen song, you know, stuff like that. So if you do want to join the Twitch live streams, it'll be up over there. And yeah, I mean, I had a good time watching and bump into this. I hope you did too. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, and it might just come true. I still believe that to this day. It's been working for me. Appreciate y'all, as always. All love, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.